What if I told you that the difference between being broke and having $10,000 saved could be just $1 a day? Not investing in crypto. Not winning the lottery. Not starting a business. Just $1. Sounds too small to matter, right? But here's the scary part. Most people don't fail financially because they don't earn enough. They fail because they underestimate small numbers over time. So let me ask you, are you ignoring the one habit that could quietly change your entire financial future? Today we're breaking down the overlooked math behind saving just $1 a day, and how it can realistically turn into $10,000. No hype. No unrealistic promises. Just simple math and powerful habits. And by the end of this video you won't just understand it. You'll feel slightly uncomfortable not starting today. The power of small numbers. Let's start simple. $1 a day equals $365 a year. Not impressive, right? That's exactly why people ignore it. But here's the mistake. We judge small actions by their immediate results, not their long-term impact. Think about it like this. Imagine planting a seed. Day 1, nothing. Day 10, still nothing. Day 30, still nothing. Most people quit here. But beneath the surface something is happening. Roots are growing. Money works the same way. The overlooked math. Now let's add the missing ingredient. Time plus consistency plus growth. If you just save $1 a day for 27 years, you get around $10,000. But here's where it gets interesting. If you invest that $1 a day, even at a modest return, that number doesn't just grow. It accelerates. Why? Because of something called compound growth. Your money starts earning money. And then that money earns more money. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. Slow at first, then unstoppable. So now the real question becomes, are you saving money, or are you growing money? The real reason people fail. Here's the truth no one likes to admit. It's not that people can't save $1 a day. It's that they don't believe it matters. We live in a world that glorifies big moves. Big salaries. Big investments. Big risks. But wealth is built quietly in the background through boring consistency. Skipping one coffee. Saving loose change. Rounding down expenses. It feels insignificant. But insignificant actions repeated daily become significant outcomes. Let's make this practical. Instead of asking, how can I make more money? Start asking, where is my $1 leaking every day? Because it is. Subscriptions you forgot about. Impulse snacks. Tiny convenience spending. Now imagine redirecting that $1 into a system. A savings account. An investment app. A simple automated transfer. You're not changing your life overnight. You're changing your trajectory. And that's far more powerful. Here's the real transformation. Saving $1 a day isn't about money. It's about identity. It's about becoming the kind of person who thinks long-term, values consistency, respects small beginnings. Because if you can master $1, you can eventually master $10, $100, $1,000. Most people wait until they have more money to start saving. But the truth is, saving is what creates the ability to handle more money. So here's your challenge. Starting today. Save $1. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Because the biggest lie we tell ourselves is, it's just $1, it won't make a difference. But now you know better. That $1 is not just money. It's momentum. It's discipline. It's the beginning of a completely different financial future. If this made you rethink how you see money, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who keeps saying, I'll start saving someday. Because someday is expensive. And $1? That's where everything begins.